Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create the portrait of a funny monster using modeling clay. So let's create. This is what you need: paper, pencil, Play-Doh, tape, crayons, and a sketchbook. First of all, use your notebook and the crayons to draw different monster heads. Use simple shapes, circles, triangles. Also, you can include patterns. Remember, the monster needs to have different colors. Paste 4 pieces of tape in each corner of the paper. Then, draw a circle using the tape on the middle of the paper. So, it's time to use the Play-Doh. First, roll it into a ball. Now, follow the circle on the paper, going smooth to cover all inside. Now, with a different color of Play-Doh, use your fingers, pinch it, and mold it to create the shape of the head of your funny monster. Don't forget to add details on the head. I'm gonna continue making the face of my funny monster. First, with a lot of small dots around the face. Then, with a different color, I'm gonna add the eyes of my funny monster, also the teeth. The face is almost ready, just some crazy hair on my funny monster. We are almost done with our funny monster. I'm just gonna add a pattern on the background with some vertical lines. To create a line is easier, just take some Play-Doh and roll it into a snake. Last but not least, push gently all the pieces on the face of your funny monster. And put off all the pieces of tape. Ta-da! It's done! You can find a frame to put the funny monster portrait. Finally, don't forget to try different kind of monsters, different colors, and have fun. Well, that's all. I hope you enjoy creating the funny monster, and I'm eager to see your creations. Goodbye!